Hey, little artists! Do you want to draw a beautiful summer hat today? It's super fun and very easy. Grab your marker and let's draw together. Ready? Let's go!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's begin by drawing a cute bow. Make 2 loops in the middle. Now draw 2 ribbon tails below the bow. Let them hang down nicely. Now let's draw the top part of the hat. Make a big curved shape above the bow. Draw a band around the hat. It goes across the middle of the hat. Now draw the wide brim of the hat. Make it big and curvy on both sides. Nice job, everyone! Our summer hat drawing is complete. Now go over your drawing and make the outline bold and sharp.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. Let's color together. Red color.
Wow!
Yellow color. Orange color. Cream color. Pink color. Blue color. So colorful and pretty. Great job, little artists. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.